Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome back to All Things Dope. My name is. Today, I'm in the studio. Shout out to the boy EG3 Customs. Thank you for letting me come through. I've wanted to age some sneakers for a very long time, and I couldn't decide what shoe I wanted to do with. These are the ones that I finally wanted to do with this Bread Toe. It's a Jordan Low, very classic shoe, very beautiful shoe. One of my favorite things about Jordan 1s is that they look better with age. They just look better as you go through life and you beat them up. And so I just want to fast forward in time with the help of my boy EG3 Customs. We're going to get in here and we're going to make something look dope. So this is the before. Of course, we got a red lace in here. So shout out to Jordan Brand. I'm actually going to use some cream laces. These are leftovers from Travis Scott. So thank you, Cactus Jack.
Check. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze one. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze one. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze one. The grills in my mouth double as a.
Ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. We finally got the shoes back. We had to hit them one more time with acetone, and we had to let them sit over 24 hours. So now let's see what the final result looks like. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, the vintage Bread Toe. This, of course, is my own rendition. Shout out to the homie EG3 Customs for helping me out. The cream laces, come on, son. That's the extra. That's the extraness that I wanted to bring to this shoe. I am truly blown away with how good these look, man. Like, genuinely, like, let's get a... Just so you guys can get all of this vintage dopeness. This right here, wonderful. I love it. Check out this fit.